Asexual reproduction in algae. Asexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction by which offspring arise from a single organism and inherit the genes of that parent only. In this reproduction, there is no ploidy or reduction. The offspring will be exact genetic copies of the parent, except in the specific cases of automixis. A more stringent definition is agamogenesis, which is reproduction without the fusion of gametes. In this, the protoplast of a cell divides into several protoplasts and they escape from the mother, developing into new plants. Asexual reproduction is the primary form of reproduction for single-celled organisms such as archaebacteria, eubacteria, and protists. Many plants and fungi reproduce asexually. Asexual reproduction takes place by a variety of spores formed in different algae. They include zoospores. The zoospores are formed from certain older cells of the filaments. The cytoplasm divides to form zoospores which escape from the mother cell. They are formed in favorable conditions. Zoospores are always motile. Diagram showing zoospores. The zoospores are naked protoplasmic bodies which move by means of flagella or cilia. They may be biflagellate, tetraflagellate, and compound zoospores. Example, Odogoneales, Vaucheriaceae. By aplanospores. When motile phase of zoospores is eliminated, the bodies are called aplanospores. Aplanospores are produced when there is lack of sufficient water. These are covered by thin wall but do not possess flagella like zoospores. They germinate directly to give rise to new plant. Diagram showing aplanospores. Hypnospores. They are very thick-walled aplanospores and develop in adverse environmental conditions. In comparatively dry situations, the content of the mother cell round off and secrete a thick wall around them to tide over the unfavorable conditions. And these thick-walled structures are called resting spores or hypnospores. Diagram showing hypnospores. Sometimes the entire cell as such become thick-walled to form an achaenid. They are usually produced at the approach of dry and hot weather. When favorable conditions returns, they germinate directly to produce a new plant or form zoospores. Examples, Pediastrum and Vaucheria. Pomela stage. The approach of dryness is when the plants are left on the moist bank by receding water of the ponds. The cells of many algae continue to divide by their contents and their contents are not liberated. The mother wall becomes gelatinous, thus forming a mass or colony of rounded cell which lie embedded in a jelly-like substance formed from the cell walls. Diagram showing Pomela stage. On the return of favorable conditions, the cell come out either as zoospore or as aplanospores. The germination to produce normal plant. For example, Eulothrix. Autospores. They are just like aplanospores except that they are smaller in size. They resemble in shape to mother cell except in size. Each autospore gives rise to a new plant. Such autospores are reported from many chlorococcales, example Cinedesmus, etc. Diagram showing autospores. Next, endospores. In many blue-green algae and Bacillariophyceae, the endospores are formed within the cells. The endospore forming cell behaves as a sporangium. On the approach of favorable conditions, each endospore develops in a new individual. Diagram showing endospores. Diagram showing cyst. Sometimes the cyst may be formed in rhizoids, as in Botridium, when they are called rhizocysts. Sometimes a cyst may divide further to form a number of microcysts. Thank you.